Hello, squirrel. Is he eating breakfast? Yeah.
What's up, people? MarkJack79 here. We are back again with more Disney goodness. Today we are at the studios, Hollywood Studios, and might as well start it off big. Right above my head, we're looking at the gondola system. Look at that. It's my first time seeing it. That's awesome. Oh, look at that, man. Got the family walking to the park, and I get to show y'all the Disney gondolas. How about that? Strolling from park to resort. Pretty cool, man. I'm just so fascinated by these things. You know, they actually move a lot faster than you think they would too. Huh. That's so cool. Looks like they're not in business yet because they got these little wraps around them still. But I think like another couple of months, then they'll be ready to go. Might even be sooner than that. So super cool. Oh, nothing like turning that corner and seeing the beautiful Chinese theater off in the distance. You gotta love it, people. You gotta love it. Off in this way over here, we have the brand new Toy Story Land. We might hit that up. And then we have over here on this side the Hollywood Boulevard with the Tower of Terror, the Rock and Roller Coaster. Some of my favorite rides in the entire resort. That's right, man. Let's get to it. First, the beautiful Hollywood Tower Hotel. Probably one of my top 3 favorite rides in the entire resort, people. That's right. Gotta go. We gotta go and hit up the Lightning McQueen Racing Academy. Cruise. Look at this, y'all. You better break it down, honey. You better break it down. Alright, man, let's get in here and let's check this out. It's good.
Queen's Racing Academy! I'm back! The official transport truck for number 95 himself, the Lightning McQueen! Come on, drive on in! All lanes are open!
That's right, Matt.
So that was a pretty awesome show, man. Sorry, guys, I couldn't film inside because they specifically said no photography or filming inside of the studio. I think this attraction is way too new still. And there was also a lot of media in there too. So, you know, I'd rather not have Disney demonetize my video. So, you know, but it was awesome, man. It was just a show of Lightning and Cruise and Mater and Check. It was good. It was a really cute show, man. Chick Hicks, that's right, Chick Hicks. Yeah, man, it was a really good show. So definitely, if your kids are Cars fans, or if you're a Cars fan yourself, definitely go and check that out. It was a really good show. And now, nothing like a good old rock and roller coaster ride, man. I tell you what, you gotta love this ride, man. Probably one of my favorite rides as well. Gots to love it.
Eyes and ears on me. You better believe ours are on you. It will not be easy to crush the resistance, but it will be satisfying. If you pass information to the resistance, you'll be considered a traitor and a target. Over here.
Don't make me call Ray on y'all.
We'll see you again. Advance.
So awesome. To infinity and beyond. Such an awesome addition to this park.
Wow, and you just
Gotta love it, man. Gotta love it. Slinky dog. Toy Story Mania. 35 minutes, let's do it. I love this picture. It's probably my favorite out of this whole queue of mine.
I'm gonna guess you're wet. I'd say your wait is about 45 minutes from now. Thank you, thank you.
Look, you can give the change. Oh, bring it on my lap. You ready?
Yeah. 63,500. Sweet. It's not bad at all, man. 60,000, best of summer, best today. Huh, well, that ain't bad. So long, partners.
Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around here, you think, sure, she's got everything.
Clearly not shy anymore. Okay. Let's say hi to Dr. McStuffins.
Queen, have you been to the Racing Academy?
Say cheese, baby. Look over here, baby. Cheese. Pluto! 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 The wonderful Chinese theater. Beautiful. I think we're going to head on over to the Frozen show. Check that out. Let the girl enjoy that one. Nice. maybe this will open up one day. This hasn't been like announced or anything, but pretty excited for it though. Yeah, definitely, man. Chinese theater looks awesome. Nice. Soon, man. Soon. Galaxy's Edge. Man, it's gonna be epic, boy. It's so epic. Very large ray gun here. It's very cool. Gotta love the decor of Tower Chair, man. Gotta love it. Beautiful.
Really? Because you know, wouldn't you?
Show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that.
One seated, please buckle your seatbelt from left to right, and from left to right only. Larger items such as bags, backpacks, and suitcases go on the floor by your feet, and any other thing or one that you wish to keep, you move on ever so carefully. Things have a habit of...
It's opening for you. Discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror.
Star took us 10 minutes. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Woo!
Prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake. I have seen
You know you have this rebel spy on board.
I've never seen that unit before. Thank you.
Don't underestimate my power. I want that spy.
Planet. Imperial troopers, what are they doing here? I'm afraid you're not ready without me.
will send. May the Force be with you.
I'm afraid.
Great! Let's get it! Other side, go! Touch the head! Wow, Force is strong, but you can save her down.
Here it is, people. Here it is. 2019, August 2019. This is where the fun begins. It's gonna be huge, man. I'm so nervous. So nervous. Goodness gracious. I can't wait. Cannot wait. It's pretty cool, huh? I hear Muppet Vision 3 years better than getting hit on the head by a 2x4. I won't believe that until I see it. Let's go in. What do you say, y'all? Slinky Dog Dash for a 45-minute wait. Not too bad. Not too bad. You know, I think we might go ahead and give it a whirl. Why not? Slinky Dog Coaster.
And then like it's like self
Go. I don't care about you not. I want to go.
Alright, and push up there. Push up. Push up. Thank you. Push down.
Oh, and it's raining. Are you making a whooping? Look up. Over there. Over there. Wave. Wave.
There's Nanny and TT.
Here we go.
Of course, I didn't bring Faith's rain
You got
jacket.
a
I brought her
friend in
regular
me.
jacket because it said it wasn't going to rain. Oh, sorry.
Please stay seated till we come to a complete stop.
Fantastic. Fast. The Hollywood Hills Amphitheater. Fantastic. out of Hollywood Studios and take a look at the crossroads of the world.